So we have everything set up. Hmm. Now let's see what else do we need to do. We need to rotate. We need to rotate this. We need to rotate this custom paint. The rotation can be done with a simple widget. Rotated box. We already have a rotated box widget, and it takes quarter turns. Let's try this. Rotated box, and for our for convenience, I'll put the rotated turns at 3. What about 1? What does this do? This one. Oh, it's just angle. I suppose the 90 degree with the 1 quadrant. It rotates your widget as 90 degrees. Okay. So now it comes to the animation part. We need to animate this value. This is the basics of the animation, right? So you have a static value. You just want to make it dynamic. That's it. All right. So let's create our animation controller. To create an animation, we need to have an animation controller, and this should be let final because we are going to initialize this animation controller in our init state. All right. Let's see. In this init state, let's instantiate this animation controller here. Animation controller, and this takes a vsync. Vsync needs to have vsync is a ticker provider, and Flutter already has a built-in ticker provider mixin, which is single ticker provider state mixin. It will be responsible for notifying this animation controller about the time. All right. So, oh, I should put this. I should put this. So we already got our animation controller. Oh, don't forget to dispose this thing. So that's why I put the init state and the dispose method before the build one, so that it's right in front of my eyes and I don't forget to dispose any of my resources. Right? Dispose. Okay. You should do that too. You should do that. Okay. Okay. Now we need to have a twin. So okay, all right. Let's declare a twin. So let's find a twin. Maybe we have in twin already. Yep, we have an twin now. Okay, in twin. And we'll be beginning our or counting from 1, and we end at 4. As our 1 quarter turn is 90 degree, we can have a total of 360 degree. That means we got 4 quarter turns. All right. So we'll be animating this with our parent, and what other parameter it takes. Yeah. Is there any other parameter like to repeat or something like that? I don't think so. Okay. Now what we'll be doing is we'll add this animation to our rotated box. I don't think the rotated box takes an animation. Yep, it takes the integer value. We have a similar widget for rotating, which is rotated transition. Rotated transition will take turns, and it's animation. Anything um, it's up doing, but we need to have animation. No, let's name it as turn animation, and the turn animation will be this turn animation. Yep. So I guess we'll be able to provide the turn animation. This one. Oh man, it takes double. So we don't need to have int animation. Just make it a tween. We also need to have a duration here, which is 5. What does it take? Duration, seconds 5. Yep, it works now. Let's try to hot restart this application. It doesn't do anything actually because we forgot to start our animation controller forward, and we need to repeat. Let's do this now. Yep, see, I think we need to have reverse force. Yep, it slowly animates, and the animation is started from the beginning. Okay, yep, that's all.